Smart Sofa. Unlike other couches, the Smart Sofa is made of a unique fabric that is incredibly comfortable. I'll tell you what, it feels like I could get lost in it forever. The comfort level will astound you. However, it also performs exceptionally well in terms of wearability and can guard against pet scratch damage. Its adjustable armrests mean you won't need to spend an eternity finding the ideal posture either. Not only is the couch extremely comfortable, but it's also very stylish and easy to clean. You won't have to worry about spills or messes anymore, and it is also flame retardant, so you can rest assured that your couch will be safe in the event of a fire. Plus, just look at how cool it looks, man! Ringcon. If you're looking for a way to track your sleep patterns and get a better sense of how well you're resting, consider giving Ringcon a try. This innovative ring not only monitors your sleep patterns, but also provides information on the 3 stages of sleep, REM, light, and deep, so you can make any necessary adjustments to improve your sleep quality. Plus, it's comfortable to wear, and it won't get in the way of your daily activities. Wearing Ringcon will help you improve your long-term vitality and performance by giving you critical insights into your general wellness. This is because Ringcon continuously monitors your blood oxygen saturation, or SpO2, something that other smart wearables have difficulty doing. So, make sure Gollum doesn't get his hands on this, and you'll be good to go. CyberSense. The CyberSense car fragrance is based on the Cybertruck, and it looks just like the truck. If you're a fan of the Cybertruck design, you'll love this fragrance. While it may be simple to keep a car free of clutter, it may be more difficult to keep it smelling clean. Cars, like any other vehicle, are often exposed to the odors of stale air, unclean pets, and strong odors. So if you're ever traveling without being able to take a shower, don't worry. One of CyberSense's most unique features is its anti-slip pad at the bottom, which allows the fragrance to stand steadily even with a brief pause. This means that it can be used in any location, including the car, office desk, or bedroom. Solus X. This lighter is great for smokers and those who enjoy arson. The Solus X appears to be a standard lighter at first glance, but it's not an arc lighter. It's small and compact, so it'll simply fit in your pocket or backpack. What sets it apart from other lighters is that it is solar-powered, meaning you will never run out of fuel again. Simply place the lighter in direct sunshine to refuel it. When you click the ignition button, the Solus X produces an instantly hot and bright flame that can easily set something on fire. Even if you're using it outside, the Solus X is windproof and can withstand direct wind in the lighting spot. So if you're ever in a hurricane and need to light a candle, don't worry, the Solus X will be just fine. Can't guarantee the same about you, though. Dexpol. As global warming becomes an increasingly pressing issue, solar power is in higher demand than ever. So it's no surprise that our next innovative product is a solar-powered power bank. That's right, you heard correctly, the 100-watt solar panel kit is the perfect solution for solar generators. With high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, it converts up to 21 to 23% of solar power, making it ideal for RV camping, off-grid road trips, and power outages. The back material of the 100-watt solar panel is resistant to outdoor weather conditions. That means you don't have to worry about ruining it, even if you're outside. Darkmaster. I know you've been left in the dark without these products if we didn't bring them to you, but this one will really make a difference in that regard. The Darkmaster is the name given to this unusual portable light source, and no, it has nothing to do with Voldemort. It appears to be something that would have come out of the Bauhaus if they had the technology at the time. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that is simple to replace. The object is not only rectilinear, but it is also intended to cast a rectilinear beam. The device is also magnetic, meaning it can stick to most metal surfaces with ease, making it really convenient, if you ask me. The Vista. With the Vista portable hammock and stand, you can really enjoy your outdoor activities. It can hang practically anywhere, so you can relax anywhere you want, whenever you want. Seriously, this is what I'm talking about. The stand is very small and elegantly designed, with an extremely light aircraft-strength aluminum frame. At only 12 pounds, it can support up to 330 pounds. That's some serious engineering. This is the perfect travel buddy. It's set up quickly and easily without any tools, and it's ready to go in just 30 seconds. Plus, there are no small pieces to worry about, and when you're ready to leave, everything fits into a movable bag. Perfect for storing your trunk or closet. The handcrafted hammock chair is incredibly comfy and evenly distributes your weight, so you'll feel no pressure on any part of your body. This means you can sleep anywhere you want, whenever you want. Gadget DP20. This is something out of a sci-fi movie. It's like a lightsaber, but for engineers and their mathematical battles or whatever. The Gadget DP20 laser measure device is a handy tool that features a laser, a digital display, and a tape measure, all in one unit. This tool is perfect for quickly and accurately measuring distances, making it ideal for a variety of uses. This compact tool features an illuminated display that makes it easy to take readings day or night. It also includes built-in real-time distance, area, volume, and indirect measuring functions. The laser accuracy technology enables this pocket-sized equipment to take rapid and accurate measures up to 131 feet, making it easy to size up the work in seconds. This is an amazing tool for anyone that wants to measure anything. It's so handy, and you even look like a Jedi while using it. Okupa H01PD. This is the perfect product for singles. If you don't have someone to keep you warm in the cold, this is just what you need. The Okupa H01PD is great at generating heat all over its body. The heating elements are strategically placed so you can feel the warmth on every inch of its surface. It also has 3 temperature settings, the highest of which is 49 degrees Celsius. This gives you the flexibility to select the level that best meets your needs. It also heats up in 7 seconds and has a battery life of 7 to 14 hours. Perfect for those of us who haven't felt any warmth lately. Back to the video. Free shot. Golfers, come together. To make your game more enjoyable, you'll need some equipment. Your golf bag, golf clubs, golf balls, ball marker, towels, tees, gloves, and more. But what's the best way to carry all this stuff around with you? If it's not well organized, you may have some trouble. Imagine trying to find something in the middle of your game. Introducing the Free Shot, the all-in-one golf accessory that contains a golf ball holder, divot tool, tees, and custom ball markers. These are all important pieces of equipment for playing golf, and the Free Shot is designed to fit around your waist, giving you unparalleled convenience. Having Free Shot means you don't have to worry about digging through your pockets to find your things. They'll always be within easy reach. No more fussing with awkward pouches or bulky pockets. Free Shot is the easy way to keep everything you need close at hand.